Which
yeah, I
used to be
didn't know
Valley.
that, but
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Oh, the labyrinth.
well, because of the situation, smaller amount of that.
And by singing Brown Eyes Girl, and she had brown eyes.
You need to be a little less nice when you're driving. Look at this guy's license plate. It's the Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah, just on the camcorder.
Oh, wow. It's not lit up very impressive.
Yeah, it would be nice if they had better lights on that arch.
You know, the first few times I did it by myself.
Oh.
Hmm?
Mom's videotaping.
It's okay. You don't have to be quiet. It's okay.
I was just want to say hello.
Oh.
How do I escape this place?